Turn on notification bell, don't miss update.
So we're here in Singapore trying out one of the ATMs. We're in CityLink, which is a big mall. Um, this ATM is currently from Lamasu. Here you can see a guide on how to use it. I think the ATM is placed in a fairly busy aisle, as you can see. Next to it is TCC, some kind of breakfast, coffee, deli thing. So my girlfriend will now try and use the ATM. So we hit start. You can see the menu. It needs to scan the barcode. Currently, it's on my application on my Android phone. So we scan it, and it's confirmed. Now it's 572 Singapore dollars for 1 Bitcoin, and we get 1.74 millibitcoins for 1 Singaporean dollar. So Teresa's gonna go ahead and insert 2 Singaporean dollars. So the machine got it, and let's have a look. All right, so we for 2 Singapore dollars we get 3.49 milli bitcoins. So we go ahead and send those. So let's see, and there it is. Thank you, and we received 3.49 millibitcoins for 2 Singaporean dollars. So that's it. It was very quick, and I think the advertisement that says 50-second is okay. So we're here testing out the second ATM. This one is from Numoni. We're in the Funan Digital Mall. It's a huge mall just with electronics and so on. So here's the ATM Numoni. As you can see, there's already some kind of introduction video running on. It's on how to use it. You have short instructions. With this ATM, you actually need to have a mobile number in order to get further along in the menu. So Teresa is gonna go ahead and show you the menu. As you can see, you can select the different values you want. It's $10 and up to $50. We've been told that if you want to enter $50, you actually have to put in $10 bills. So that means 5 times $10 bills. It's no option to enter a $50 bill yet. So Teresa goes ahead, presses the $10 value. You can see it's currently 1 Bitcoin is at $566. So she's gonna go ahead, click next, and there you can see we actually need a Singaporean number. So it's not okay to enter any kind of number, but you need to have a Singapore number which begins with 65. So we were actually lucky. The shop had a nice lady. She gave us her phone number, her Singaporean phone number, so we could try the ATM out. So there we go with the new number. Teresa is entering it now. So let's see. There it is. Let's hit next. And there it is. This display, it's actually for the QR code to scan it. It's a bit weird as you have to put the phone or the QR code in front of the display, but I mean, yeah, that's a little thing. So let's scan the QR code. There we go. It was fairly quick. Let's look at the display. Yeah, let's hit confirm. And there it is, loading currently. So we'll get 16.83 millibitcoins for 10 Singapore dollars. So we confirmed that, and now it asks us for the money. So Teresa is gonna put in the money, the 10 Singaporean dollars. So let's go ahead and see. So the money is in, and let's go to the next step. Okay, and that's it. So now we have the option to hit either OK or print, and it also says that confirmation has been sent to the mobile number. So that should actually get to the lady that lent us the phone. So we hit print to see if we can get a receipt for it. The machine is already doing something. So let's see. Oh, and I can see the lady, so that's the very kind lady that gave us the phone number. Without her we couldn't use it. So let's have a look. She apparently got the confirmation SMS, and yeah, there it is. So we got the bitcoins. Oh, just off, yeah, but it's there. We got the bitcoins. Unfortunately, the printing was some kind of somehow broke, so we didn't get any receipt, but that's okay. So we've located a third ATM. This one is in Bar Teeny Kitchen. It's a bar and they cook as well. This one is from Robocoin. This one should even allow us to buy and sell bitcoins, as you can see in the menu. It has a palm scanner. It also has an ID scanner, a barcode scanner, and the slot where you input money. So it is ready for you, for the operator to enable authentication if they want to. However, in our case, this was needed. So Teresa is going to go ahead and buy bitcoins with this machine as well. So now it wants us to scan the QR code. So we go ahead with the application again. This time the scanner is a bit below the screen. There seems to be an issue. Maybe we'll have to try and hold it directly in front of the scanner. Maybe. Yeah, let's have a try. Ah, there we go. So I think now it recognized it. You can see my address there. But that's the furthest we got. We just got stuck at these dots. It's just loading and loading. And unfortunately, that's the most we got. So we have to try and contact the operator of the ATM and see if we can get that fixed, if there's some kind of silly issue going on, and we'll hope we can try it before we leave. So there you can see also a contact number and email. We're gonna try it there and see if they can get it working before we have to go. So Teresa got in contact with someone on Facebook and let them know that the machine wasn't working. We got an instant reply. It was really fast. I was surprised. And they've sent someone down there, and the same day apparently they got it working. However, at the time we were touring around, so we revisited the Bitcoin ATM. It's our last day in Singapore, and so we're gonna try it out now and see if it works. You can see the buy and sell. It's $608 to buy, and sell was much cheaper. There was a bigger spread, but it's okay. So Teresa is going to try and scan it again. Let's have a look. This time it was much smoother. You can see the dots. It's loading there, so let's hope it's gonna work this time. Let's give it a couple seconds. Ah, there it is. We already received some kind of receipt. I think it's just to keep for the future that there's a transaction ID, and we also got to the next menu, so that's good. That's further along than we were before. Teresa tries to put in 2 Singapore dollars, and they were recognized instantly. It's currently $576 for 1 Bitcoin. We click on finish, and we have a bit of loading now. We're gonna get 0.003 Bitcoins for those $2. So it's loading and loading. And there it is, success. So we got our Bitcoins. It actually wasn't that long. It's now fully working, and we got a receipt for that transaction. So this one I actually know what to do with. Buying bitcoins is easy, that works. So we hit finish, and now we'll try to sell some bitcoins. So let's see. So this time we have a menu, plus 10, minus 10, and so on. This is to set the value you want to have. So we put on $10. That means we have to send 0.018 bitcoins. You see the price is a bit lower. It's $544. for a Bitcoin. So we gotta print out. The first QR code is that we have to scan with the mobile application or whatever Bitcoin scanner you have, and the lower one is then the QR code you're gonna scan onto the machine, where you then can get the not Bitcoins but dollars. So Teresa is gonna go ahead and scan it. You can see we'll be sending 167 Czech crowns, that's 0.01 Bitcoins. So she's gonna hit on poslat, which is in Czech cent, and we're sending, and I think we're done. So we sent the Bitcoins. Now on the machine it says we should include a miner's fee. We didn't do it this time. It was our first try, so maybe next time. And the barkeeper told us it's probably gonna take around 10 minutes or more, depending on the confirmation. So let's see and wait. So we've been waiting a couple of minutes now. I still don't see any confirmation, but we're gonna try and see if it works. Oh, and by the way, we have to buy a beer. We're in a bar, so let's not sit there and don't buy anything. Even though the beer was 10 Singaporean dollars, if I compare it to the Czech Republic, that's a lot. But yeah, so let's see. We scanned the barcode, the lower one, and as you can see, it's still not finished. We still didn't get the one confirmation, so we dismiss and we'll try it later on. So hopefully we don't have to get another beer. So we've waited all together around 22 minutes. It's gonna be 4 o'clock now. And we got a confirmation. So let's try and see if it is finally done. So redeemed code. Teresa is gonna scan the code. You see it was very fast. It's $10. We do withdraw. Now let's see if we got the confirmation. And okay, it's working. We got the money. Here is the receipt. Great. So this is the confirmation of our transaction, and below you can see our money. So yeah, this is how the Rubbercoin works. We also wanted to try out the Tembusu ATM, which was located in a bar. Unfortunately, apparently due to some kind of bug, it was not working, and they said it will be fixed in a week or two. So, but unfortunately, we already left Singapore, so this one is unfortunately not tested. Thank you all for watching.